Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you on how to promote your affiliate link to millions of audience, how to promote your affiliate link and make money in this 2021. Okay, stick with me to the end of this video. My name, if you are first time seeing me on YouTube, my name is Abdul Fattah. I teach people on how to make money legit way. Something I've tried that worked for me, I'm coming and share with you guys for you guys to implement and make more money than the one I was. Okay, let's dive into the video. The first website I'm about to show you is Half Plus. This website is a very big website. Okay, very big website. All you need to do when you're on this website, scroll around and check a bit and come to search button and go. You can choose any niche you prefer from this niche. That is health, free trial, crypto, weight loss, dating, skin, weight loss. Let's go with weight loss. That is a popular niche. Now when you're on this page, I want you to scroll down and check their term and condition and eat this diet weight loss, save it. I want you to go with high paying affiliates. Okay, let's use Save Line Ketonis weight loss. Let's go with that. That is $102 per se. Let's read their description. Okay, this payout $102 CPA, category natural diet, geo US, share. Okay, description updates. Okay, this is a new keto that is in town. This will make money with these guys because it's new. Guru Media, join network. When you're on this page, make sure you read their terms and conditions and go to not I am advertiser network, go to I am affiliate publisher. When you're on this page, read their terms and conditions and create your account alone. Let's just sign, create your account, complete these tasks. Okay, when your name, your second email, legal entity, you choose this. Let's go with LLC, that is PayPal, partner, not profit. You can choose LLC on this one. Here is a company, individual. You can put Google, your address, street, city, zip codes, your country of residence, phone number, additional information, your Skype username, your Linktree. You can put your Skype even though you don't have Linktree, or you put your Linktree, or if you have both, you can put what type of offer do you run. Okay, here you can select CPA per lead. You can put a CPA per lead. What type of traffic do you currently use? Make sure you put YouTube and blog. What vertical do you focus on? Make sure you choose US traffic. What are the top 3 geo you get traffic from? US, YouTube, blog and social media. What are the some offer name you run now? You may put Clickbank, Digistore, Warrior Plus. What affiliate network do you work with? Put all these 3 I mentioned. What is your average payout from network? Make sure you put 25 to 50. Just put 10 to 25k. Okay, are you active on internet? Yes. What year were you born? Put it here. How do you fund Guru Media? Find Guru Media, put it here through Half Plus. When you do that, agree the term and condition, click submit. It's free. Review your application and send you an email to begin promote their product. Now the traffic I'm about to show you is very powerful. Is Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com. when you are on Fiverr page, all you need to do is switch to Pro. When you switch to Pro, go to budget. When you're on budget, choose $5 depending on your currency or your budget. Okay, go to $5 budget. Okay, it's already in $5 budget. Yeah, now switch around and check. Okay, look at this guy, affiliate promotion 100 million USD euro. Okay, with this you're going to make thousands of dollars, believe me. But it's just not going to happen one night. You have to implement this strategy. When you're on this page, select 4 gig seller, different US traffic booster, pay $25 for each, and wait for a week and started see result. Just log into your affiliate, you started see a commission coming in. Okay, this is a powerful method I'm showing you guys. This is a powerful method that you can implement and start making thousands of money online. This will promote your link to 300 real traffic, organic audience booster, 1k traffic with conversion. Okay, let's do the math, guy. Let's do the math. Okay, when you're on page, let's say this affiliate pays you $100, 102. Let's say $100. The $2 is still there. Let's say $100 times 500 people. Let's say $100 times 500. Believe me, guys, you can make this money, $50,000. It will be like magic, but it can happen when you have a belief and implement this strategy. Believe me, between now to next month, you will be there cashing your money into naira or to your currency anywhere you are in the world. Select this guy Geek and message this guy, contact him. You want to promote your affiliate link in US only, US country only traffic. You don't need any other country. It depends on the affiliate you select on this. But with this Guru Media, they are just new launch. You can start making money with this guy. Is $102 payout. Okay, you can start making killing with this strategy. Okay, you can start making killing, guys. You can start making killing. You can start making killing. The second method I'm about to show you is slideshare.com. Upload your file here. When you upload it, okay, let me give you a detail on how to do that for you not to get mistake, guys. Okay, let's do this. Now when it upload, write your title, description, public, choose a category. This is a keyword. You can put weight loss, whatsoever, health medicine, health care. You can put health care or food. Okay, when you do that, tag the weight loss. It will appear with many keywords, because you have to use a keyword that when a reader wants to read, it can go direct to your article. Okay, choose as much as possible. Okay, when you do that on this place, after you have added your description of the PDF, okay, you can short your link on Linktree or Bitly to your affiliate link. That is a free method I'm showing you, but make sure you post per week for at least 3 articles or 2 to 4 every week on this website. Do that for a week to a month. You started seeing a view. With that view, there must be a conversion. People are going to buy, and you make $100. Let's say in this website on 1 month 100 people buy, that is $10,000. It's enough. Okay, that's it. Okay, guys, make sure leave a link to Fiverr description and SlideShare. When you're on Fiverr, it will take you to this page where you click the first link in the description, and make sure you use a new account for you to have a professional freelancer that will promote your traffic. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed. My name is still remain. See you on my next video. Thanks.